Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for everything beauty and hair. Today, we're diving into a highly sought-after product in the world of lace front wigs, the 30-inch 13x6 lace front wig made from 100% human hair. This wig promises a lot: natural-looking hair, comfort, and the flexibility to style it just like your own. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. To start off, this is a 13x6 lace front wig, which means you get a much larger lace area than the typical 13x1x6 wigs on the market. This feature allows for better breathability and a more natural-looking hairline. It's made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, which is cut directly from healthy young donors. The claim here is that you'll get a wig that's not only soft, but bouncy and natural-looking, with a smooth, healthy appearance. It's also styled with pre-plucked baby hairs, which can be a big plus for those looking for a realistic finish. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. First off, I found the setup pretty straightforward. It's a glueless lace wig, so no need for adhesives or tapes, which makes application quick and easy. The cap size is average, fitting a head circumference between 22 to 22.5 inches, and it's adjustable, with 4 combs inside for extra security. The fit is comfortable, and once on, it really does feel like it could be your natural hair. Lightweight, breathable, and ready for styling. Whether you're doing a sleek straight look or adding a bit of wave, this wig can hold up to the test. But let's get into the pros and cons. Pros. The 13x6 lace area is a standout feature here. It gives you more flexibility when it comes to styling, particularly around the front and sides. The fact that it's made from Brazilian virgin hair also adds to its softness and durability. I love how easy it is to customize this wig. You can style it to your preference, and the hairline looks incredibly natural thanks to the pre-plucked baby hairs. Plus, the jet black color is stunning, smooth, rich, and perfect for those looking for a darker, healthier look. On the flip side, one downside is that this wig is pretty dense, coming in at 250% density. While that's great for volume and thickness, it may not suit everyone, especially if you prefer a lighter feel. The lace is labeled as HD transparent, but I did find that it could require some extra blending depending on your skin tone to truly make the lace blend seamlessly. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider if you're new to lace front wigs. Now, as for value for money, this wig comes in at a higher price point compared to some others. But considering the 13x6 lace, the 100% human hair material, and the density, it holds up well when compared to other wigs in the same category. However, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are cheaper alternatives, though you might have to compromise on things like lace size or the overall quality of the hair. In comparison to similar wigs on the market, this one definitely stands out for its HD lace and thicker density. A lot of competitors may use smaller lace sizes, which can restrict styling options, or they may cut corners with synthetic fibers. This wig delivers premium quality for those who want a long-lasting, natural-looking style. The build quality is solid, the wig's hair feels soft, and the lace is durable. Even after wearing it for a few hours, it didn't show signs of wear or irritation, which is a testament to the craftsmanship. However, as with all wigs, proper care is necessary to maintain the hair's softness and prevent tangling over time. Regarding customer support, I didn't personally need to contact the brand's customer service, but based on reviews, their reputation seems to be positive. They offer responsive support, which is always a good sign when purchasing a higher-end product like this one. For those interested in similar products, there are other lace front wigs in the market that might suit your preferences. Brands like Unice or Love Me offer similar options, though you'll need to compare lace sizes, hair density, and texture to find the best fit for you. To wrap it up, the 30-inch 13x6 lace front wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a natural, stylish, and versatile wig. It performs well in most areas: comfort, quality, and style. However, its thick density might be a bit much for those who prefer a lighter feel, and you'll want to make sure the lace blends well with your skin tone. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you want to get your hands on this wig, check the link in the comments box below. Have questions or already own this wig? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat about it. Until next time, keep your hair fabulous and your confidence high. See you soon on Beautyistic.